Bit of a struggle here. We have everything lined up, and this is the important part, that this stud is aligned right here and it's right in the middle. So we're going to fit our brake shoe on here, and or we're going to put our brake shoes on and put our caliper on and make sure everything lines up and that it slides on the pins okay. So as you can see here, there's actually a pin that comes through, and it goes right into that thread. So it'll come through all the way through the brake. This guy with the holes on it, he goes on the outside of the disc. Okay, so we're going to put the disc on too and figure it out. And then there's another shoe here, and it's got ears on it. I don't see it right now, but it goes on the inside of the disc. Actually, I probably got to go get that out of the box. Okay, so this is an important part here. We have two different size studs in here. We have the original one, which is 1 inch, and then we have 1 1/4 inch. Now, the only place they hit, I believe, are on the bottom, because on the inside of this knuckle, there's something it could hit on. But regardless, I believe that this sticks up too high on the back of the hub, so it's going to contact these. So I have my race,